By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how you can monetize your YouTube channel right now. You heard that right. I don't care how many views you get, how many subscribers you have. There are multiple ways that you could be monetizing your YouTube channel right now, and you need to make sure that you're taking advantage of these. There are people with less than 1,000 subscribers literally making tens of thousands of dollars a month from YouTube, and you can do the same exact thing. Right now, there are essentially two different ways that you could be monetizing your YouTube channel outside of selling a product. The first one is going to be using the YouTube Shorts Fund, and then the second one is going to be in the partnership program. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can monetize from the YouTube Shorts Fund with no subscribers and how you can get into the YouTube partnership program in just 10 minutes. Now, to get into the YouTube partnership program, you need two things. First, you need over 1,000 subscribers. Secondly, you need over 4,000 watch hours. And you're probably thinking, Rob, that's incredibly hard to do, but it is not hard to do. In fact, the method that I'm gonna share with you in this video, you're gonna make money before you even get into the partnership program. And then once you get into the partnership program, it's all gonna be gravy. You're going to make more money. You're gonna monetize both your shorts and your long form content. Now, getting into the YouTube partnership program typically takes creators months, but the easiest way to do it right now is by uploading YouTube Shorts. You heard that right. Now, a lot of people are probably wondering right now, they're saying, Rob, but I thought YouTube doesn't allow you to monetize shorts, and that couldn't be further from the truth. You guys need to understand something. One, when you have shorts and they show up in search, or they show up in the recommendations, they show up anywhere outside of the shorts feed, there are ads running on them and they're being monetized. This means that you need to be uploading shorts that are going to be ranking for certain keywords or that are going to be recommended to people that are watching certain types of videos outside of the shorts feed. This is gonna allow you to make a ton of money in the future, and you need to be focused on the long tail. This doesn't mean you upload once or upload twice or upload 3 times. You need to be uploading a bunch to make sure that you have a huge catalog of content. This is gonna help you do two things. One, it's going to help you increase the amount of watch time that you're getting on your videos so that you can hit that 4,000 watch hour mark and get into the program. And secondly, it's going to give you a ton of real estate. I want you to think of YouTube videos as digital real estate, where you're able to capture something, you're able to own something on the internet that is constantly going to be paying you out the same exact way that a rental property would. Now, before I share with you exactly how to get into the partnership program as easy as possible right now, and you can literally get into it in the next week, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, I literally upload a video about how to grow on these platforms every single day. In addition to that, I created a free YouTube growth course. You can get the link in the pinned comment below. Right now, it's 100% free, but I will be raising the price on it in the future, so make sure you get into it. Now, essentially what I want you to do, I want you to begin uploading YouTube Shorts. When you have something hit, then what is going to happen is you are then gonna make long form content on this. This is how you hit 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in an incredibly short period of time. You know what this creator, and this creator all have in common? They all gained over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in a single day in 24 hours by uploading shorts. So boom, you upload shorts, you're gonna get to 1,000 subscribers incredibly quickly. The next thing that's going to happen, one of those shorts is gonna hit. It's gonna get 10,000 views, 20,000 views, 100,000 views, maybe even 1,000,000 views, which is not outside the realm of possibility. And then guess what happens? Then you make long form content on that. YouTube is going to suggest that video to that audience that then watch that short. And then guess what happens? You get the 4,000 watch hours incredibly quickly. Now, there are a few details that you guys need to understand in order to have this strategy successfully work. First, your YouTube title on your long form piece of content should be better than the one that was used on your shorts, or it should be the same one that's used on your shorts. Now, when it comes to the long form content, you need to be focused on two different things. One, your click-through rate, which is going to be your thumbnail and your title. And then secondly, you need to make sure that you're paying attention to how long your video actually is, because the average view duration is going to determine how many views it gets, whether or not it ranks in search, and whether or not you're successful at this. So please, make sure that you guys are making your videos the right length. The majority of videos on YouTube, if you're doing education type content, should be 8 to 10 minutes long. That is what's going to give you the best average view duration. It's going to give you the most amount of watch hours. And if you're successfully creating a long form piece of content out of a short form piece of content, well then guess what's going to happen? It's going to increase your watch time hours. You're going to be able to get into the program as quickly as humanly possible. The days of it taking months or years to get into the YouTube partnership program, they're over. Once you begin using short form content to inform your long form content, and also it's going to help you get more views on YouTube. You need to understand something. The way that YouTube works, the way that the algorithm works, when you get a view or you get an interaction, that gives you the chance to get 7 of those interactions in the next week, which is why if you're uploading YouTube Shorts, you get a ton of views, a ton of interactions. It increases the amount of impressions you're then gonna get on your long form piece of content. And this is why you need to do that in order to get your watch time hours. Way too many creators are starting off on YouTube and they're just uploading long form content. It's the wrong way to do it. There are essentially 3 different categories that your YouTube account can fall into. 1, you're brand new on YouTube, you're not in a monetization program. 2, you're posting on YouTube, you're growing, but you want to grow even quicker. Or 3, you're happy with where you're at on YouTube. For example, if you have a full-time editor and you upload 4 or 5 long-form pieces of content a week, then you probably shouldn't use YouTube Shorts. But since you're watching this video right now, I know that's not the case for you because you want to be able to monetize your YouTube, which is exactly why you need to be using a Shorts content strategy and a long-form content strategy, with the short strategy coming first. I'm going to share with you later on in this video how you can monetize your YouTube Shorts so you're actually monetizing your YouTube channel before you even get into the paid program. Now, once you get into the paid program, you're going to make way more money from the monetization because you're going to be able to monetize your Shorts whether or not you're getting paid from the Shorts fund. But before you can do that, you need to be uploading the Shorts to get your title and your topic right. And you need to understand something. When it comes to long form content on YouTube, I would only upload 1 video every single day. When it comes to short form content, you can upload 2, 3, 4 videos. Now, I said earlier, if you're making educational content, your videos should be 8 to 10 minutes long. If you're doing entertaining content, they're probably going to be better off being 3 to 6 minutes long. If you're doing a comedy skit or something like that, and there are a few changes that you need to make to the way that you're actually editing your videos also. So there are essentially 3 different things that you need to be focused on when it comes to the editing. First, you're gonna lose the majority of people on your YouTube video, the long form videos, in the first 30 seconds. So you need to just get straight into the video. You need to either one of 2 things: get straight into the video, hook the person in, or you need to relate to them immediately so that they say, hey, this person knows exactly how I feel. If you're making educational content, probably a good idea to do that. If you're making entertaining content, you need to get straight to the point. If you're trying to be funny, you need to make them laugh in the first 30 seconds. If you're trying to just do something entertaining, that's escapism, you need to make sure that they get hooked in the first 30 seconds. If a person doesn't get hooked in the 30 seconds, they're gonna click away, your average view duration is going to tank, and YouTube is not gonna suggest your videos out to more people, so you need to make sure that you're optimizing that. Secondly, there can't be any dull points in the video. You need to be doing the ruthless edit on your videos. What does this mean? This means that you film a video, you then edit out every spot that is not bringing value to the video. Then you can add things back in if and only if it makes the video better. If it doesn't make the video better, then don't even bother adding it back in. This is how you should be editing your YouTube videos in order to maximize the amount of watch time that you're getting, the average view duration that you're getting, because if you're able to make your click-through rate or your average view duration just 10% better, you're literally gonna get 100x the amount of views. If you were getting 1,000 views, you would get 100,000 views. If you were getting 100 views, you would get 10,000 views, and this is going to change the amount of watch hours that you're getting, which again is going to get you paid on YouTube, going to get you into the paid program. Now, there is one other thing that I need to make sure that you're doing before we can move into how to monetize your YouTube Shorts, and that is you need to make sure that when a topic works, be it on YouTube Shorts, be it on long form content, you need to hammer that content. The reason that people fail to hit 4,000 watch hours is because when something works, which it inevitably will, something's going to do better than something else that you uploaded, keep going down that rabbit hole. That might be a post idea, that might be a post length, that might be how you started the video. There are going to be so many different things that go into whether or not your YouTube videos are successful. But the second that something works, I need to make sure that you're taking advantage of it. If you're not taking advantage of it, you're setting yourself up for failure. And this is one of the most overlooked things when it comes to small channels on YouTube. The only reason that most creators fail to hit 1,000 subscribers or fail to get 4,000 watch hours is because they create long form content without any market research and they have no idea whether or not something's gonna work. But that is completely a thing of the past once you begin using shorts as market research, because you could test your titles, test your topics incredibly quickly, and once something hits, boom, you know that YouTube has an audience for that, then you make long form content on that, and that is how you're going to get paid from YouTube. Now, there is a second way to make money from YouTube before you have 1,000 subscribers, and you can make over $10,000 a month doing that, and that's getting into the Shorts fund. Now, getting into the Shorts fund is incredibly simple, but there are a few rules. First, you cannot have watermark content on there. Secondly, your content should not be copyrighted. And third, the Shorts fund, it's kind of like a lottery. You need to be uploading on Shorts. You have to have uploaded a video in the last 30 days, and then they're going to choose some of those videos to monetize them. They're going to shoot you an email in the beginning of the month. They're going to say, hey, your video was chosen for monetization, claim your payout. Now, you need to understand something. If you do not claim your payout by the 21st of that month, guess what's going to happen? You're going to lose it. You heard that right. If you do not claim your payout, you're going to lose it. Now, they're gonna pay you anywhere from $100 to $10,000. Just because you didn't get chosen this month doesn't mean you won't get chosen next month. So please make sure you're continually uploading shorts and you can get paid for this. Like I said, you can make $10,000 a month with no subscribers if your video just gets chosen. So make sure that you're uploading YouTube shorts. And the other thing, upload those YouTube shorts, then create that long form content, then get into the monetization program, and then guess what happens? Then you get paid on the YouTube shorts that are showing up in search search, showing up in the recommendations, and this is how you can make tens of thousands of dollars a month from YouTube simply by uploading videos.